Hi everybody, it's your first lady, Shelly Xpressionz, aka Bubbles, from the Big Bad YouTube series, The Bartender. I'm inviting you to join us on our Sunday night live on Xpressionz JA channel at 8 p.m. where we do reviews and interviews with your favorite personalities. So make it a date and don't be late. Right here at Incognito Vacation Stay live on our Xpressionz JA's YouTube channel.
I'm glad you understand.
Listen, that is a big decision, and decisions like those have to be made by both parties.
I rate you, you know.
I know.
So why you look so sad?
Just a come off a crime scene.
Now which crime scene that?
The one where the woman threw her baby off the roof.
Oh, that? So you take up that case then?
No, I know. Them did need a negotiator for talk to the woman. And Pop say, I must rush go over there. But by the time me reach, she don't throw off the baby already.
John Star. Hope you not feel no way about that still, you know.
I just wish me did reach in time.
But what me want to know? What kind of woman do that to her own picnic? Just because she and man have issues?
That go way beyond relationship issues, Raymond.
Angie, she and the man have issues. That is it.
You should have known better than that.
Alright. Where I say? It's a mental health problem, right?
Or postpartum depression.
That could be true, but me not think so. Me really think something else a go on there, so.
Okay, Mr. Savage. Explain. Tell me, what different could it be?
Alright. In my experience, and based on my research over the years, postpartum is real. Can't deny that. But there's a major disconnect between mother and child. This was a bona fide argument between woman and man over some cheating argument. She specifically decides that she go up on top of a building, throw off a child, she go drink bleach, probably with the intention to take her own life that way. And for whatever reason, then she go chuck off of the building. Me don't know. Bubbles, me I put it together, but it not fit.
Raymond, I understand the disconnection. But even going through a few months brings about anxiety, brings about depression. I mean, even after she jump off of the roof, people still a beat her bad. But them don't know what she got through.
Angie, whole heap of woman got through far worse than that. And them no deal with them youths, huh?
Every woman's body and mind is different. And people have to understand that. How one woman handle postpartum is different from another.
Well, I mean, I know. For me, it's hard to digest all of that. Yo, a months of emotional and physical, even spiritual connection. And a mother do that after all this time? Me don't know, me can't wrap my mind around that.
As a man, you not gonna understand that. That's why people need to get educated about these things. Know the warning signs and help.
Me can't say nothing to disagree with that. You're right. But what we need to do while we get the education on exactly what the signs and symptoms be, we have to understand who really suffer from postpartum and who I use it as a crutch to escape with certain other things.
Worry, man. I totally agree with you. But me not tell no lie. This shit me up bad.
Boy, Angie, let me tell you something. You understand? More than you can imagine, right? Let me tell you something. You see my ideas on the job? All these years, I see some things when I tell you, sir. It used to haunt me, but I get over it. Little by little by little. Some things are harder to get over than others. I tell you, don't make this rest on you and make you feel guilty. You know what I mean? You did the best you could. And yeah, but I understand. Trust me, babe.